It's word. It's word because it's not really just boxing, you know. I train hard. I train hard and a lot, but
my name is Joel Montenegro. I'm a fight promoter for the fights, boxing.
Before, when I was like just training, when I'm not, because I was a bit popular. Before that, I really trained very hard, and I fight for like 100 pesos, maybe 100 to 100 pesos. I win, lose, I get the same amount of money.
Yeah, I remember that guy. He's a good fighter. Yeah, he's a good fighter.
Sometimes I don't do boxing. Do other. I sing. I dance. I act. You know, it's, and I was like, what's this?
Well, you know, we have to make some money sometimes because you know some days you're not fighting every day. So you have to make money to make the promotion.
So when I was fighting, I wasn't fighting in the ring. You know, I think I was fighting for a lot of other things. You know, I wanted to fight. That's what I know. But they made me do a lot of things. You know. Basically, I come here, I jog around, circle, and this is my job now. I go inside and I do the garden. So I go inside and I plant the crops like leaves, spinach, tomato, and chili. I think it's hard, you know. It's hard when I don't have anything anymore.
Because you know he asked too much questions. You know the boxer, you go in, you fight, and then I make some money for them. But every time I ask him, Johnny, you go train. He ask why. Every time I ask Johnny, you go fight tomorrow. He ask me why. Always why. Always asking a question.
When I left boxing, I felt I was what you call malungkot, depressed. I think depressed, because I wasn't able to show people what I could do, my talent. But at the same time, I didn't want to just do it because for the people. No, everyone wants to do it for the people. But I'm not selfish or anything. But it's who I am and it's what I have.
That is a good question, really. He has potential. You know, all the fighters with potential. Johnny has potential for fighting, but you know, as I said, he's too hard-headed, too much question. Don't want to fight, don't want to work. Pilos po siya talaga. Parang nakakainis minsan pag mag-training, pag fighting, pero parang ayaw na, lagi yung bakit?
You know, people think I'm crazy because you know, I play here once a while, absolutely like basketball, but I don't have the ball. You know, like this is my ball. You miss 100% of the shot you don't take, and I know. I make every shot goes in, but I don't have the ball. That is my opportunity, and every time that I don't have the ball, I will keep taking the shots, because one day when I have the ball, I only need one shot, and I know that I will make that shot.